After decades of searching, a Rhode Island family is starting to get answers about their missing relative.
From authorities in Massachusetts working on another case, NBC 10's Gabrielle Caracciolo reports live from Fairhaven tonight. Gabrielle?
Family members described Keith Olsen as a vibrant and loving man. He was 27 years old when he disappeared in 1981. 4 years later, his remains were found here along I-195 in Fairhaven, but they weren't identified until now.
I'm sure it's very difficult because they've been unsure of what's happened during the past 40-plus years.
More than 40 years after his disappearance, the family of Keith Olsen from Cranston, Rhode Island is finally getting some answers.
But just dealing with the information that he was murdered is something that can be very difficult to process.
As part of the Bristol County District Attorney's Unidentified Bodies Project, new technology was able to match Olsen's DNA with that of remains found along I-195 in Fairhaven in 1985, 4 years after he went missing. In a statement, Olsen's family says it's taken a toll not knowing what happened to him for all these years. Writing in part, quote, "He has never been, not for a moment, out of our minds and hearts. Keith was a vibrant person whose life, disappearance, and discovery has meant so much to those who will forever love him." Investigators believe Olsen was murdered. They've identified one suspect in the case who's no longer alive, but believe there may be others involved.
It's so critical in these cases. Anything could be important. It's understandable maybe why people might be afraid to come forward. I'm sure there are individuals who have some information about the case, whether they're alive or not, who knows. But yes, I'm sure there's people that have information about it.
Anyone with information about Olsen's disappearance or death is asked to contact the Bristol County District Attorney's Office. I'm live in Fairhaven. Gabrielle Caracciolo, NBC 10 News.